I've been exploring the OfferUp mobile app for a while now, and this video is my honest and unbiased review on the same. I'll cover all the main points, from key features to risks and considerations. So by the end of this video, you'll have a better understanding of the OfferUp app. OfferUp is a mobile marketplace app designed to make buying and selling items easy, fast, and secure, especially in your local community. Whether you want to declutter, find great deals nearby, or connect with local buyers and sellers, OfferUp provides a user-friendly platform to do it all from your phone. It also goes beyond just goods with features for finding jobs, services, and rental listings, making it a versatile local hub. Now, moving on to the features. OfferUp lets you quickly list items by taking photos and adding descriptions with just a few taps. You can browse items by category or location, chat securely with other users within the app, and arrange safe in-person meetups at recommended locations. The app includes seller and buyer ratings to build trust, and a true verification system where users can verify their identity with a government ID for added security. While many features are free, you can pay for promotions to boost your listings, subscribe for an ad-free experience, or pay for nationwide shipping. The app's interface is clean and easy to navigate, supporting fast browsing and listing updates. Additional perks include reminders for renewals and access to local fuel prices, EV charging locations, and rewards. Speaking from my personal experience, I found OfferUp really helpful for selling items I no longer need without the hassle of traditional resale methods. Setting up a listing is quick and convenient. Snapping photos and writing descriptions takes just minutes. Messaging within the app is seamless, and I appreciate the ability to check buyer ratings before meeting. The trusted meetup spots add a layer of security that made me feel more comfortable trading locally. Sometimes there were minor delays in notifications for messages or offers, but nothing that interrupted my selling process. Overall, it's a smart way to turn unused items into cash and discover bargains nearby easily. However, there are some cons to consider. For instance, OfferUp's focus on local transactions means some items are only available nearby unless you pay for shipping, which can limit options. The app occasionally experiences minor bugs, and some users report slow customer support responses during busy times. Also, since it's mainly targeted at US and Canadian markets, users outside these regions may find limited usefulness. While the paid promotions can increase sales, they do add extra costs for sellers on a tight budget. Overall, if you want a straightforward, community-focused app to buy and sell stuff safely and easily, OfferUp is a solid choice. It balances convenience and trust with features that help both casual sellers and regular buyers, making local commerce simple and accessible. Well, that's all for this video. I hope you found this video helpful. And if you did, make sure you give this video a super thanks by clicking on the heart icon to help support the channel, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button. We'll see you in the next one.